like it on fire.
Lizzie, look at it on the screen.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
Sparks! They came to us. They're gonna get us.
Yeah, they are. Oh my gosh. On Pioneers Day, DJ Sarah and I watched the watermelon drop, and we were sitting like way far away, and it splatted us so sad.
Wait, what's the watermelon drop?
What they do is they take a fire truck and they extend a ladder as high as it can go,
Yeah.
and then they drop a watermelon to the top.
Fun! I want to do it.
Come up for Pioneers Day.
Can we drop it on someone's head?
No, we can't, but it's a contest to see how far the furthest splat would be.
Nice. People going to light more fireworks on this 4th of July 2009. Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July!
Too bad you can't see. It's dark this way. What's up there? Those are illegal! Ow!
Did you get hit?
Yeah, there's sparks hitting me. Freaking sparks. Roar! Roar!
Where they put all the fire?